Hello and welcome to today's segment of Tuesday Seeds. Today we're going to share with you a tip that probably goes against everything you think you know about caring for your plants. So please stay tuned. So y'all, here's a tip that many experienced gardeners will tell you. Once you plant seeds in November, try to walk away from your watering can. Seriously, y'all, one of the most common mistakes that us growers make during the fall and winter seasons is overwatering our plants because we're trying to water them the same way we did during the summertime. Now, the science behind this is mostly because cold season soil holds water much longer than warm season soil, and mostly that's because of the evaporation rates. Now, while new planted seedlings or seeds, or maybe you're doing transplants, all of them need moisture to grow. Of course, if you're doing seeds, to also germinate. But the thing is, during fall and winter seasons, you typically are getting much more rainfall. You're getting much more dew on the ground, morning dew when it comes up. And depending on where you're living, you're probably getting more humidity in the air. And the other thing to know without really nerding out on the science piece of it is that the soil microbes during cooler seasons typically slow down, so they can't process the moisture as quickly. The good news is that cool season crops often develop deeper, more stronger root systems, which helps build your soil. Now, as a trick, what you can do is during these winter months is to dip your fingers about, about 2 inches deep. And when you pull it up, if you don't have any moisture on your finger, then guess what? Leave it alone. The moral of the story is sometimes the best thing you can do with your garden, especially in cool seasons, simply leave it alone. Remember, be the exception.